Ang buhay ng patana ay masayang tunay. Masayang tunay. Masayang tunay. Ang buhay ng patanay. Okay lang, okay lang. Uy, gusto ko man magbabad-babad dito. Ang sarap ang lamig. So I'm really happy. Hi. And they were all laughing to me because I'm making my video right now. Sabi nila itong baklang to, sarap buhay. Yung habang kami nag-fishing, mag-kuryente, ay siya man nagpapaganda doon, ay. Okay, ganun pala, toka-toka. Ang galing, di ba? I like this. The village life is the best one. As you can see, like some of them started like fixing the homemade kalan, like the stone, and then they put kahoy-kahoy there. I'm gonna start firing it, and I'm here. Okay, nagtulong-tulong man ako kanina, nag-support ako, nag-cheer man ako, kaya natin yan, oy. Okay, judgmental dyan. And let's go make some music. Let's turn the music on. O, di ba may ambag ako?